In today's video, we're going to be talking about working with the compatibility mode in Microsoft Excel 2016. So let's go ahead and click that Learn button. And step one is to click File and to click Open, which is already selected. And we're going to navigate to the Starter Files folder. So click Browse here. And if you don't see the Jasperactive folder, you can click Documents, go to Jasperactive, and we'll click on Starter Files. Wants us to double click this retirement planner. And then once retirement planner opens, we're going to click File and we're going to click this Check for Issues button. And we're going to click Check Compatibility. What this does is this tells us any errors that we might experience if we were to open this file on an older version of Microsoft Excel. Now, you don't really need to understand what all this means right now. You just need to know that there's errors. And after just looking through this list of findings, we're going to click OK. And once you've clicked OK, we're going to click Mark as Answered. And now we're going to do something I think is a little bit more important, which is saving a workbook in an older format. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to click File and then click Save As. And you're going to click on Browse. And we're going to navigate to the My Projects folder. So if Jasperactive Starter Files is showing, you actually need to click on Jasperactive and go to My Projects. Make sure you're in My Projects, because if you save this in the wrong folder, you will not get this one right. Now it says in the Save As dialog box, that's this thing right here, dialog box, it's an important word for you to know. We're going to click the arrow for the Save As type, and we're going to change it to Excel 97 through 2003. Let's say you have a family member that has an old version of Excel, you want to go work on their computer. You would need to make sure that this could work on their version of Excel if they had like Excel 97 or Excel 2003. All right, now it says to change the file name to My Retirement Plan. So you can click right up front of Retirement Planner and add the word My, and it now reads My Retirement Planner. Go ahead and click Save, and once again you're going to get a compatibility checker box, and the only thing you need to do is click Continue, and it says, do you want Excel to recalculate all formulas when this workbook is opened? Once again, this just has to do with formatting the document to where it works in an earlier version of Excel. You're just going to say yes. Now it wants us to close the workbook. So I'm going to click on File and click Close. Now we're going to go to Step 8. We're going to click File. We're going to make sure Open is selected, and we're going to browse for the My Retirement Planner to open it. And I'm going to click Open. Now it says here, the workbook name in the title bar shows the label Compatibility Mode next to it. This indicates, if you ever see Compatibility Mode here, that this workbook uses the file format for earlier versions of Excel, 97 through 2003. Now it says to close the workbook again, so click File, Close. And it says, do you want to save any changes? It says here, Step 9, don't save any changes. So click Don't Save. And as soon as you've done that, click Mark as Answered. And if you follow these directives, that should be an easy 100. Thank you so much for checking this video out, and I'll see you in the next video.